Have you ever thought, I want to make affiliate sales, but I don't want to spend all day writing, filming, and editing? Yeah, same. Today I want to tell you about Super Affiliates AI. It's basically an all-in-one AI system that helps you find affiliate offers and then automatically create and publish review videos for people who are already looking to buy. That's the big idea. Instead of guessing what people want, you target buyer intent traffic, like when someone searches product name review. So let me break down what it does in a simple way. First, it helps you discover products to review. It scans affiliate platforms like JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus to find offers that are worth checking out. Next, you paste a link to a product's sales page. The tool then profiles the product for you. It pulls key details like pricing, features, who it's for, and even flags red spots, so your review isn't just random. Then comes the part that saves you hours. It can generate an honest review script. One of the coolest features is it can create a two-voice style review, like optimistic versus skeptical, so it sounds more real and less robot hype. And yes, it can create the video without you filming. It uses sales page scroll footage plus overlays, then builds it into a ready-to-publish review video. After that, it helps with the stuff most people forget: titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails, and even short-form versions for shorts and reels. If you want auto posting, it has auto mode, which is meant to publish daily across connected platforms. Plus, it adds affiliate links and FTC disclosures for compliance automatically. So you're not scrambling to remember legal stuff. One strong point I really like is this. It's built for consistent daily publishing, so your channel can grow a review library over time. And that matters because reviews don't just help you today, they can keep working long after you post them. Here's how you can apply that in your own life. If you've been waiting to feel ready before posting, don't. Pick one product. Use the tool to make the review video. Then commit to a simple routine, like one review per day for a week. Small, consistent actions beat big bursts of motivation every time. So, my recommendation, if you want an easier way to start or grow an affiliate review channel without filming yourself, go check out Super Affiliates AI. You can get access through the link in my YouTube video description. All right, go grab it and tell me what niche you're thinking about. I'll be curious to see what you pick.